In this video, I will tell you about the Bake token, that how you can utilize it. In the new version of the bakery, Bake can be used to compose a random combo meal, which is a unique NFT, non-fungible token. Your unique NFT combo is not only a collectible item but also a Bake farming tool. Each NFT combo has a staking power and can be staked to one Bake.
Feel uninvited.
Bake token is a BEP2 token, and right now I am going to tell you about the usage and how you can play with your combos. Right now the team is offering 4 tiers of the combos: basic, regular, luxury and supreme. To compose a combo you need to contribute the Bake, and the more Bake you contribute, the higher tier combo you will have, which generates the higher staking power. However, there is a random factor when generating a staking power like a raffle game, so you will have the chance to get a combo with higher staking power at a low cost like a jackpot. Then you can stake your combo to earn the Bake based on the staking power of your combo. To protect the interests of the participants, the development team basically they develop the decompose function so that each NFT can be decomposed back to the Bake. With this feature, when no one takes over your NFT assets, you don't need to sell it at a discount or go through a long staking process to cover your loss. You only need to decompose the NFT and get 90% of the Bake you contribute back. In the next version, the team is going to give you a new opportunity that your combos can be traded on the market. The interesting thing is that if you were lucky enough to get a combo with high staking power at a low cost, you can sell it to others to make some good profit. Here you can see the Twitter main page of the bakery token, and secondly you can check out all the things and all the major details on the main platform. I will share the link in the description. The bakery will be the first AMM plus NFT platform on the Binance Smart Chain. At this time, the trading competition of the Bake token is ongoing on the Binance, so you can easily trade this token directly on the Binance and you have the chance to earn up to $80,000 very easily. NFT FI is rising up and it is catching the new opportunity, and after the DeFi, okay, for that one basically the team of the Bake token choose the new platform NFT right now. As we all know, nowadays most of the ERC20 tokens has the issue of the Ethereum gas and all, and especially the transaction are charging number of fee. So at this time the BEP tokens are a new, you can say a new light for all the traders, because they are not charging as much fee, and right now they are basically going to offer a same platform like the Uniswap, so we have the chance to trade number of tokens over there. And the NFT is a new division and new vision, same like the DeFi, so definitely it will rock. And right now only the Bake token is the first token which is basically performing and using the NFT protocol, so definitely it will boom soon. So it's your time to buy some Bake token and you can easily stake them and you will earn some good profit from it, because at this time here you can see the BSC scan where you can check all the transactions, all the main deposits and withdrawals, and all the things are entirely fast. You don't have to wait, you don't have to spend number of gas or anything, so it's entirely very best thing for you to utilize NFT FI platform on the Binance Smart Chain for the bakery combos.